Positivity to me is smiling when things are at their worst. It's easy to be positive when you're not in a storm or you're not dealing with a bad day, but it's a lot harder to be positive when you wake up and it's raining outside and you drive to work and your lead is 2.5 hours away. Linda and I talk about it all the time where she looks for the one thing that is shining out to her in a day. If it's like the sun shining the right direction or someone walks in with a smile. Positivity, I think, is about just trying to capture in a moment whatever you can to make you get through the times that are difficult. And so yeah, that's what positivity would be to me.
Oh, positivity for me, just from my gear, is I am in contact with the customers on a regular basis, and I establish relationships with the customers, and I hear the stories about their personal things going on in their lives. And sometimes that speaking with that customer is the first laugh I have for the day, or I'm their first laugh for the day, and carrying that and just kind of remaining calm in all situations, or even taking a moment to step away and then come back and see something that's positive. It's impactful, and we have to have it. And I think here we've created an environment where even on tough days, we find something, whether it's Victor collects the final payment, or Nick finishes the job 4 hours early, or Adam tells a silly joke, or Kathy's bopping around dancing to music. Whatever it is, we tend to find something that creates that. And it's kind of happy, positive feeling, and it's great to work in an environment like that. Ow!
Bang!
Damn, Skylar.